Okay, in this presentation, I'll be showing you guys how to download your GNSS TEC data from CEDAR Madrigal database. So it's not a very difficult process. It's a very simple process. All you just need to do is to go to the website, register, and then select the date and the instrument and so on. So let me share my screen and then show you guys how you can get this data. So the first step is for you to go to this website. So I'm posting a website on I'm posting a sorry I'm pasting a website link on the chat, so you can click on it and then see what's going to give to you. All right, so once you click on that link, it's going to take you to this platform. So let me share my screen and show you the platform it's taking me to. So I believe everybody can see my screen. So once you click on that link, it will take you to this platform, and all you need to do is to enter your name. So right here I have Amadi Brands, and then your email be amadi@brandspace.org, and then the affiliation in my case is Brandspace. In yours, it can be anything else. If you don't have an affiliation, use none, and then you submit. So once you submit, you're going to see this platform. This environment. So this environment, in the first part, you see choose your instrument. So you're going to choose your instrument. In our own case, we want to get GNSS data. That's distributed ground-based satellite receivers. That's what we're going to use. And then the next drop down there, or the next interactive box there, is you choose what instrument you're interested in. In our own case, we're interested in the worldwide GNSS receiver network from 1998 to 2026. So you also choose that, right? And then we are interested in May, 10th of May. So you're going to be using 10th of May. In this hands-on section, we're going to use 10th of May. So you enter 10th of May 2024. So 2024 May and 10. You do the same thing here. 2024 May 10th. And then so you adjust the date here depending on what you're interested in. If you want for a longer period of time, you can also enter it in this date range box here. So what we have done is simply to choose our instrument category and also choose the instrument year range, and then choose the date range we are interested in, and then on list experiments. So once you click on list experiment, uh, it's going to give you the data for the range of dates you have selected. So let's wait and see what's going to give to us. All right, as you can see, the worldwide GNSS receiver network, which is where we are going to get the GNSS TEC data. As you can see here, worldwide TEC from GPS and GLONASS. GPS by US, GLONASS by the Russians. So which of these two are we going to choose? So you have from the 9th of May to 10th, and from the 10th of May to 11th. So you are going to choose the second one. Starting from this second one give you the range you need. So we are going to choose this. It's covering the whole of May. So we are going to choose the second one. So the next step is for you to select the file you're interested in. So we're going to choose tech being 1 degree by 1 degree by 5 minutes. That's final. That's this. So, and which of these file type are we interested in? Okay, we can use HDF5. So let's choose HDF5 and see what's going to give to us. Right. So the next step, uh, you click on download file, and then as is, it gives you everything with as is. The other option, uh, the other option will uh, will give you options for you to choose the parameters you want, but we want everything. So, and then you click on download, and that's it. I hope you understand what I just did. So that's just it. And then you click on download, and it starts downloading. So it has I think 151 megabytes. Okay, 2 hours left for me. So your own your own network or internet connection may be faster, and that's it. So I hope this is clear. If you have any question, we can talk about it in the group. And so that's tech data. Now there is a next thing I want you to do. You go back to that website again. You go back to the website, and then you change the date to July 20th, 2023, and then try to download again, and let's see what happens. So for July 20th, 2023, follow the same step, but this time around at a temporal resolution of 30 seconds. Take note of that. At a temporal resolution of 30 seconds. So let me share uh, let me share the PDF file so you guys can go through. So let me stop sharing this and then share the PDF file. See this PDF file? I believe you can. So I believe you can see this PDF file. So what we just did is that we just clicked on this website, and it took us to the CEDAR Madrigal database. And then it will ask you to register. Register by entering your name, your email, and also your affiliation if you have any. If you don't have any, you enter none. Please note this material is from Mahit, not me. So once you enter those details, this environment will be opened for you. All you just need to do is to choose the instrument, which is distributed ground-based satellite receivers, and then it will ask you to choose the specific instrument date range. You choose the worldwide GNSS receiver network from 1998 to 2026, and then you choose your date range. So once you choose your date range, once you choose your date range, you're going to have another option coming up, list experiment. You click on list experiment. Once you click on list experiment, it will give you these options you're seeing here. So you click on the second one, not the first. Please take note there too. Click on the second one. You're clicking on the second one because it's covering uh the full day, 10th of May 2024. You're going to get more data for the full day in the second option. And then it will then give, once you click on the second option, it will give you this sorry, I think I should have made this present. So once you click on the second option, it will bring out this option for you to download. So you choose, there are four or five options here. You choose the first one, which is with a resolution of 1 degree by 1 degree by 5 minutes. Final. So you click on that and then you click on download file. Then you click on as is. Do not click select parameters, as is. Once you click on as is, it's going to give you an option with the file for you to download. You see it around here. So you click on that file and that's it. Now go back to that website again, this website, and change the date to July 20th, 2023 and follow the steps below to download tech data at a temporary resolution of 30 seconds. So again, you choose the second one, not the first one. Once you choose that, it will give you, sorry, you choose the second one, not the first. Yeah, you choose the second one and not the first. And once you get there, to give you this option. So choose this option, line of sight, tech data, final. Again, click on download file and then as is, and that's all. Once you click on as is, the file will come out on the on the left side of your screen, and that's all. So I hope you guys are able to do that. So if you have any challenge, any question, just hit me up on the hit me up in the group. And if you have any challenge uh, regarding the whole process, I mean, just let me know in the group, right? All right. Take care of yourselves. And that's it for now.